Hi, Chris Picciurro, founder of the MRR Institute. We're here in my home office today, and the expert tip for this week are our best practices for having an awesome home office. I put a lot of time into thinking about this home office, and this is actually the first time I've ever worked exclusively from home in my over 20-year career. So these are the things that have helped me out a ton. First, I love having whiteboards that I could write on, even though we use software for task management. Just seeing some visual items for me as far as goals, 30,000-foot views, maybe some of the things that I want to focus on and be mindful of. I happen to create a lot of reels for our private CPA practice or teaching tax flow. So having a whiteboard to be able to write on as well, this thing flips around, is really, really good. It is amazing having some natural light come in. My habit is just to be an alley in our neighborhood, but that's okay. I like having that natural light. I can see outside. I can open the windows if I want some fresh air. I don't like sitting all day. So I like having a desk that could be a stand-up desk. So a lot of times I'm just back here standing up, or I could bring this down and sit down. But I really like conducting my meetings standing up. From a technology standpoint, make sure you have a very stable and strong internet connection. And we actually have an extender here that gives us a lot of power. And then you also want to make sure that you have really great equipment to conduct virtual meetings. Because if you're working at home, you're typically going to conduct a lot of virtual meetings. That means having a great computer, very good camera, and then back here you could see an amazing microphone. So set yourself up for success. Don't have a lot of clutter around you. Be focused and make sure you don't have a lot of distractions. A great home office makes for a great home work experience.